Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get distorted eggs Xenoverse II. Start by completing parallel quests and farming time rifts to increase spawn chances. Focus on quests that list rare enemy types and use rarity modifiers when available. Rotate characters and missions to reset spawn pools and avoid diminishing returns. Track which rifts produced eggs and prioritize those runs to improve efficiency and reduce wasted playtime. For reliable farming, favor short parallel quests that you can clear in under 10 minutes and still face elite spawns. Use rarity-boosting items or modifiers before entering a rift to tilt drops toward distorted eggs. Swap to alternate characters between runs to refresh spawn tables and avoid stale pools. If possible, team up with friends to speed clears and share spawn opportunities while maintaining a steady, fun pace. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches fresh for long grind sessions. They save time between runs and prevent sticky messes during intense farming. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pay attention to spawn patterns and note which rifts yield distorted eggs most often to build a simple rotation. Always save or back up before a crucial farming session so you can retry without losing progress. Take advantage of boosters, event modifiers, and cooperative play when available to increase your hourly yield. Keep sessions focused but short to stay efficient and avoid frustration while chasing rare drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.